Let's talk about time management and productivity. You need to identify priorities. You cannot do everything. Plus, as mentioned, you should try to delegate as many of the non-essential jobs by outsourcing. Allocate specific time for your various side hustle jobs within your existing schedule. Time management techniques and productivity hacks. Time blocking. Implement focused work periods to maximize productivity and minimize distractions. Use task management apps and tools or calendars to organize and track your tasks and deadlines. Look up methods like the Eisenhower matrix to prioritize tasks based on importance and urgency. How to avoid burnout and maintain work-life balance. Set boundaries. You will need to set boundaries between work, side hustle time, and personal time. It's a challenge. I find myself that I get addicted to working on my side hustle. I am a very competitive person and want to win, but it is important to take time away from work, to breathe and enjoy leisure time. If you do, it will improve productivity. Get some exercise. It's important. Meditation or mindfulness will help you to relax, reduce stress, and increase creativity. Going for a walk in nature has been scientifically proven to increase creativity. Do it. You need to provide excellent customer service and support. This may set you apart from others. I say may, because many businesses try to offer this too. Be sure to answer customers soon. Be helpful. If you do not, word will soon get around on social media. Many companies make it hard to contact them. Many make it hard to unsubscribe. Don't be this company. Offer various channels for customers to reach out and receive assistance. By doing these various things, you will create a long-term relationship and loyalty. If possible, customize interactions and offerings based on customer preferences. You may wish to start a loyalty program, so you can reward and retain loyal customers. Collect feedback from customers and staff to learn from and improve. Surveys, reviews, and feedback forms from customers are gold for your business. Even the most rude, obnoxious customers have something to teach you. Use it. Answer complaints constructively to improve your products and services. Act on this feedback. Improve your business offerings or customer experience. Strive for continued improvement based on data and feedback. Effective management and sustainability. Batching tasks. Complete similar tasks together to be more efficient. Thus, you minimize context switching. You reduce time wasted on transitioning between different types of tasks. Delegate and outsource. As has been mentioned previously, outsource non-essential tasks. For yourself and your trusted staff, focus on doing tasks that align with your or their strengths and expertise. Consistent review. Regularly assess how your side hustle is doing. Periodically, review your strategies and operations for optimization. Adapt to changes. Be flexible and adaptable to changes in market demands or customer needs. Managing and sustaining your side hustle involves effective time management, nurturing customer relationships, and a commitment to continuous improvement. It's about maintaining balance, staying responsive to customer needs, and refining operations for long-term success.